The Line Project tool in Blender's Sculpt mode is very effective, especially for hard surface models, and significantly speeds up your modeling process. In this example, after masking a portion of a simple remeshed cube, we select the Line Project tool and shape it with the desired distance and angle. For simple and quick object transfer to ZBrush, we use the GoB plugin, the download and installation path of which has been taught in this channel. In ZBrush, we select the Clip Curve tool with holding Ctrl plus Shift, then select the curve mask by holding the Control button. We then make the desired changes, similar to Blender, and return the model to Blender by pressing the Visible option. Another tool similar to Clip Curve in Blender is Polyline Trim, where after each cut, we remesh the object and move the origin to its center for symmetry. Finally, with the Mesh Filter tool, we simply bevel or smooth the edges. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. To not miss out on other tutorials and tips, please support this channel.